Hi there, this is Darlene from Tech Agent 99, and I'm going to demonstrate how you upload a new logo for your WordPress template and get it to display the new logo. So the first thing that we need to do is get logged into WordPress. So go ahead and log into your dashboard by going to your abprosla.com WP-admin and get logged in. So here we are logged into the dashboard, and what we're first going to do is find out what the current theme, which we're working on, Sleek, is using for the logo. So we'll go under Appearances and into Editor. That brings up by default our style sheet. The style sheet contains all the information for the style of your template, and it contains information for the images that are being used for this template. So we go under style.css and we scroll down looking for anything to do with the header, since the logo that we're uploading is going to be in the header. So there we go, we're scrolling, we find header. We first come across a background and some color information, and the width being 970 pixels by a height of 70 pixels. Nothing to do with the image, so we keep scrolling. Image header. Here we are, it's telling us what both the information for your image, and it tells us that it's located in images/logo.png, that the file name is logo.png, and it's located within the images folder, meaning that we will find it within the file system under our themes, Sleek, images, logo.png. And down here we find the size of it as 970 pixels width and the height of 70 pixels. We can make changes to any of this information. We could change the name of it, what it is looking for, such as logo.png. We could make changes to the size of it. The width I wouldn't suggest making changes to, but of course you can, depending on what design you're looking for. You can make the changes here in the height as well. When you're finished making the changes, you would scroll down and update file. In this instance, we're going to leave it as images/logo.png and stick with this size of 970 by 70. Okay, so now how do we upload it? Well, that requires us to log into the file system. To do that, we will go to https hostingmanager/secureserver.net, and we will log in with our pure AV Designs as the login and the password, and log in. Once we get logged in, we're going to select the domain name, and this takes us to the hosting dashboard. Right here we're going to click on FTP File Manager to get logged into the File Manager. I already have that loaded just to save some time. Here we are in the File Manager. How do we find the logo.png? We'll look in the WP-content folder, go to Themes, Sleek, and Images. We're in that folder right now. We look for logo.png. Here it is. If you'll notice, everything is in alphabetic order and also case sensitive. So we'll click on here first. What we're going to do first is we're going to rename the existing image. Click on there, click on rename. Now I usually call it old logo.png or xlogo.png, and this is just so that we maintain the original image, just in case we want to revert to that, or for any other reason that we need to compare our image to it, etc. It's just a good idea to maintain that original image. So we go ahead and change the name to what we wish, and also note that it is case sensitive. and we click on OK. Now you'll notice there is no logo.png, but there is an old logo.png. So now we will upload the new logo. Let's go up here, upload. We'll look for it on our computer. In this case, I have an image called avlogo.png. We'll double click on that. You'll notice it's here. We click on OK to upload. Here we are. We've uploaded avlogo.png. Now, in order to have it displayed, remember we have to have it named logo.png. So once again, I'm going to click on here, go to rename. I'm going to change this to logo.png. Once again, remember it's case sensitive, so if you do type it in, make sure it's all in lowercase, logo.png. Click on OK. There we go. We are completed. We have uploaded our new image. And in this case, I would suggest that we check it out. So we will go to avprosla.com and we'll check out to make sure that our header logo.png image that we uploaded is displaying as we wish. If we want to make any changes, of course we can go right back to the dashboard, make the changes that we would like to make, the size, etc. Or if it just doesn't look right and we need to upload a new one, then we would go to the file manager again, and you can upload either a logo.png and then you're done, or upload another file and rename it to make sure it's logo.png, and that's it. So have fun, and you know where to reach me if you have any trouble. Thanks.